Don't eat me. Wow.
Mine. 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 Mine.
We'll worship you. We'll build a. Do you like a monument? Swim for your life! Nemo! Nemo! Nemo, hold on to me and don't let go! I can't see! I don't know where I'm going! Wow!
Mine. Mine. Mine.
I can't see! I don't know where I'm going! Don't eat me. Wow! I can't see! I don't know where I'm... Wow!
Mine. Mine.
Don't move! This is bad, Dory.
Hey, watch this! Boing, boing, boing.
Dory!
Man, you can't fight evolution. I was built for speed.
The question is, Dory, are you hungry?
Hungry?
Yeah, because you're about to eat my bubbles! To the left, they're coming right there. Oh no. Dory! 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 Stay away!
Oh, big fella. Whale. Okay. Maybe he only speaks whale.
Move, Dory! Move! No, you're insane! You can't speak whale! how old sea turtles are! I'm talking to him! What is going on? No more whale! You can't speak whale!
Yes, I can!
No, you can't! You think you can do these things, but you can't, Nemo! I can't see! I don't know where I'm going! Don't eat me!
Mine. Mine. Mine.